Hello, my friends. We are back, baby. We got a new vlog coming. I have taken the last 2 days off. I have also just gotten off of our live stream where I put Heart Breathings and Sarra Cannon together as one. My 2 YouTube channels, I was live on both as well as Twitch, and that was really fun. We had 300 people there. It was amazing. So thank you to everybody that was able to make it live. I know it was a little bit impromptu, but the replay is up if you want to watch it. We talked about how I'm setting goals for 2026 and what my word of the year is going to be for 2026. So if you want to hear all that news over on my live stream tab, you will see that. But I'm sitting in a planner nest of stickers. I've been organizing some stickers. I've got YouTube pulled up and I'm going to continue to rest just a little bit, but I do have to write episode 13 of my novel, which is the finale, the climax of this book. And it is going to take me over 60,000 words for the novel, and it should take me over 30,000 words for the month, which feels really good and really exciting. And I will have finished my 31st book. I'm still going to edit one more pass, but the book itself will be down. It just needs to be tweaked. That feels really good. And then I'm going to start book 2. So over the next week or so, we're going to finish that book, go into edits. We're going to set up my B6 stalogy for the next book, and we're going to start working on this plotting wall and actually getting it filled in. I'm so excited. When I'm thinking about goals and things for 2026, one of the first things I'm thinking of is what will I get to create in 2026, which is such a total flip from how I felt coming into 2025, where I just felt exhausted and like I cannot keep this up kind of energy of like, I'm sick, I don't feel good, I've pushed myself too hard, I don't have enough support, I'm not feeling lit up by everything that I'm doing right now. I just need to create new stuff. And this year, going into 2026, I just feel rejuvenated. I feel like my spark is back. I feel like I'm so excited for the things I get to create. I'm so happy to be writing. I'm going to be creating new mini courses next year. I have lots of fun plans and it just feels really good. So if you are going through it right now and you're just feeling like, man, I don't know, I don't feel lit up by anything, just know sometimes all you need is a little bit of rest and clarification and just like support yourself, give yourself what you need, take a rest if you need to without guilt. It will come back. Creative burnout is really tough. And I'll probably do an entire video this December about what I did to overcome creative burnout, because you guys really didn't see, other than like less videos, less energy this year. But I've been doing a lot of work behind the scenes on like rest. I mean, I know that doesn't make sense, work on rest. But sometimes when you are a workaholic, ooh, that color just changed. The whole room changed color because of Google. When you are someone who enjoys goal setting and working a lot, sometimes rest can be hard. And so I rested this year and it was tough. And I did new kind of therapy and I worked out more and I have been eating better and I've been walking more and I've been spending more time like having fun, and that has refilled so much of my well. So we'll talk about creative burnout and getting to the root of it in December, but I am going to continue to refill my well. So the past few days, I volunteered at Andrew's school for a few hours. Well, it's Andrew and Evie's school. They go to the same school this year, not next year, but this year for a few more months. They go to the same school. And so I volunteered to do an art project. It turned out really great. And then I went to lunch. I got a coffee. I went for a long walk. I watched a movie. I played a game on my Nintendo Switch. I played in my planner. I did a lot of journaling. I did a lot of Pinteresting and just like listening to music. I cleaned a lot of the house. I like decluttered and organized my closet. Just for me, that's refill the well stuff. Like I love to put on my headphones, disappear into a space and like clean, organize and dance. Like it just feels so good. And I gave myself that gift. I took a long, luxurious bath and read half a book. Like it was nice. no vlogs because I was taking a break, and now I feel ready to write episode 13. So long rambly intro, but we are in it. So Evie will be home pretty soon. We're going to do dinner and all that stuff. So I'm just going to wait until after dinner to record a vlog. But tonight my goal is to write at least 1,000 words in episode 13. And then tomorrow I'm going to be writing all day long. So it's going to be a fun rest of the couple days. And then Friday, my kids get out of school early release, and then they're home all next week for Thanksgiving. So that's always a challenge, but at least the book will be done. Hopefully I'll get a good start. And then, December gets started and we've got planner lineup, Plan Your Writing Year live stream. We've got HB90, Your Path Forward live. Like, there's going to be so much coming up. So I'm just pacing myself for all the goodies that are yet to come. And I'm also this year going to be taking a full week completely off for Christmas. And I'm excited for that as well. And just lots of good stuff coming up. I don't think I've felt this like hopeful, nurtured, excited, connected to my community. Like I feel the love, and I hope you do too. I hope you're feeling good. Rough Draft Challenge has been really good this year. So all I got to do to bring it home in terms of this part of the book, this episode 13 should be bringing me over the 30K mark, which I will get my Taylor Swift sweatshirt, which I'm very excited about. And it'll be taking me over the 60K mark in the book. So good stuff. I don't know if I'll hit 50K this month, but either way, I'm going to be proud of myself. So it's been a good month so far. I hope you're having a good one too. And I hope you've been enjoying the vlog. So let's get on with it. I'm going to take a break, watch some TV until the kids get home, and then I will be writing tonight. So I will see you then. Okay, I told myself I was not going to stay up past 10. I did anyway. This has been a struggle. I did a bit of journaling, trying to figure out exactly what happens. Then I drafted. I really should count those words though, because I drafted and then I moved it to another document. So because Google Docs now has these tabs, sometimes if I draft something and I don't feel like it's right, but I don't want to delete it, I'll just move it to another tab called brainstorming or outline or second version or whatever, so that I can go back to it. I will say though, like in Google Docs for years, once you get past like 50,000 words, it will start to slow down. And so I usually will break my drafts into multiple documents just to make it sure it doesn't get too crazy. Sometimes you can go out to your main Google Drive home, refresh it, and then go back into the doc, and it won't be slow for a while, but it's probably the biggest drawback to Google Docs. But let me show you. I have been writing in all these different tabs. So I probably between the different tabs have 110,000, 120,000 words between all of the tabs. And it's just now starting to get slow. Like I feel like as I was typing in this one, it started to feel a little bit slow. So I'm at 801 words, but let me see if I go to, let me see where I can find it. It might be in this bottom tab that I created. It's like, where did I put it? Okay, so it's over here mixed with other words. So let's pull this down to the very ending. Okay, so I had previously written 715 words. So even though I am not going to keep it I don't think I'm going to use it. I still wrote it, so truthfully, I should count it. So let's pull up the calculator. Oh my gosh, I have too many things going on. Oh my gosh, I should be able to do this in my head. I can do this in my head, but we're going to just use the calculator anyway. 715 plus 801. Oh my gosh, it's such easy math. And my brain is like, I will not cooperate. So I'm going to go up to the rough draft challenge. So that is, oh my gosh, where'd it go? That is 1516 for the day. So here's where I am. Oh my gosh, you guys, every single time I come in here and I try to share my screen with y'all, I realize just how dirty it is because it shows up. I will clean that. Somebody remind me to clean that. Angela, text me. Let's be like, clean your screen. So I have not written since the 16th, like actual words. Today is the 19th. So I should be at 31,666 and I'm at 24,177. So we're going to add those 16 words. So we're at 24,177. Added 2, so we're at 25. Ooh, come on. My brain is not cooperating. 25,693. So on the 19th, we're going to copy and paste that in. Hit save. We've jumped up a little bit. We still have a deficit. However, it's not likely that I will get to 333 unless this episode ends up being over 10,000 words, which I went back and looked at my final episode of The Witch's Key that I was reading and writing back in 2020. And it was almost 11,000 words or almost 10,000. So it's possible. I have not named this episode yet, which I do kind of at the end. But here we go. I have started it. I'm 801 words in. I have a feeling I'm going to write 6,000 or 7,000 words tomorrow. So it's going to be a full writing day. Not much to the vlog today, mostly just talking to you guys. I showed this yesterday, but I did get my Muse Always Wins t-shirt. I also got the Muse Always Wins mug, and then I got Fit Check for my Rough Draft Era hoodie and this Muse Always Wins hat. And then I also got this Rough Draft Challenge, Rough Draft Challenge t-shirt. So I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow with just some black leggings, maybe pull my hair back and meet up with Amber in the morning. We have an hour and a half to 2 hour meeting in the morning. And as soon as that is over, I'm going to head to Panera or something. And I'm going to write as long as I can. Amy's got dance class tomorrow. And so I'll be able to write a little bit there. But otherwise, I'm going to be writing all day. So, we're going to vlog it. We will vlog the adventure. I have to finish this episode tomorrow because I'm reading it on Friday. Now, I can finish it Friday morning, but the kids have early dismissal because they're off the entire week of Thanksgiving. And it's grandparents celebration, even though it's not actually Grandparents' Day. They have like a grandparents thing. And we don't have any grandparents to hang out with Evie. George's parents are in North Carolina. I am estranged from my parents, and so you can go as a parent and if you don't have a grandparent. So I'm not gonna have much time on Friday to write. So, I'm feeling the pressure. I got to pull this together, and it's got to be amazing, and it has to be intense, and it has to just I know what's gonna happen in the main part, but can I pull it off? So stay tuned because I will keep you updated. I cannot believe I'm looking at the calendar and it says that it's November 19th already. This month has flown by. We are about to enter the final week of the Rough Draft Diaries and Rough Draft Challenge. And I can't believe it. I don't know that I will make it to the 50K because I'm going to finish this book. I don't know, but I should hit 30K tomorrow. So hopefully that will happen and I can get my Taylor Swift sweatshirt, even though it is literally 80 degrees here in Texas. It is supposed to rain all day tomorrow, which hopefully will be good writing weather. This has been a very chatty vlog, more so than a vlog, but I will say I made a decision after today's live stream that I'm going to be simplifying my system in my planners in 2026. I will be doing a planner lineup December 2nd, so stay tuned. I'm going to go back to using A5 binders. So I'm excited to pick which one will I start with in January and get it all set up. And I'll be doing that here in December. So if you like planner setups, make sure you're subscribed. And I will see you all tomorrow. Happy writing, happy Rough Draft Challenge. Don't give up. And you know what? We still have 10 days remaining by the time you're watching this. So even if you have not, actually 11 days. So even if you have not started, it's never too late. Think of what you can do in 11 days. That's a whole week and a half. You could write 10,000 words. You could write 1,000 words. You could finish your book. Like, you never know what you could do. So it's never too late to jump in. If you're feeling discouraged or you have hit the messy middle or the dip in your story, do not give up. Keep moving forward. Write a scene out of order. Have some fun. Write with friends. Go out to a coffee shop or lock yourself in your room for an hour, but don't give up. All right. I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow for a literal all-day writing vlog. Good night.